Akuru mu mashomero muri Kiruhura kandi nuwagira James yagira ngo egitamu einentanu sompango hazindi ahabo kuba niye kwendero mwaka
kandi ntitereho rumpango ahabo kuba egitamu eine kwentanu saa tamwe zindi ziriyo kwazo konkeje na tamu ya kashatu kwendero mwaka
yagumza muyagira ngo abazaire nabegita bafire yo munonga kumanya ngo egitamu ne yamani kugira ngo bahumurikise abana babo bucerkare
tubakifireho munonga kumangwe egitamu serious kwenda kumurikise abana babo bomwe no shanga n'abasini yakana nabe cyamushanje nabe cyamukaga batakahumurikire.
Ori inspector w'amashomero ago Reverend Stuart Amanya asimira umutindo gwe byo bwegese ngo kandi cyahati nuko batwire bakora yasime kanisa okwagire byo bwegese
ihanga ryona arkari ahabucweka 12 no kushagamu konka diocese yonka ekabiri yabucweka 18 no tunyezo bibiri noreba ngo hataho ubureberezwa no sankore bwazaho ahiguru omubyo bwegese kandi nuko twizire ntukora
ahabuze ubo buryo mu mashomero bw'irobu hagizire ngo abazeire tubakutaye umwete muhango abana kiretera abana barwo mu mashomero
icyamana no kurwo mu mashomero abana abamwe abazire babiho mu mashomero kandi abandi bargamu ahabwo butebasa nangwa n'abandi bargamu bawushaheta amwemwe ikukira munongere kubera umushana ahabwo kureberera amatungo.
Mukuru wa St Peter's Secondary School Omurkashonji constituency Kiruhura district Reverend Father Byarhanga Paul ashoborere kwabegi n'abazeire bariyo nubagezaho
nindeba ngo abana banje n'abazire bariyo nubagezaho kureba ngo abana babo bashoma kandi bariyo nubagezaho kureba ngo ishomero ryabo ryakura
amina umuranga wazire witu kureba ngo abana bagumana babumorora ahizo bari kubanza abo kwa kintu kabashomesa tuba tweteka tekere
kansara wa Shere Town Council Kosi Yakobugunja ashabira abazeire bagenzi be kurgaye bakakorera abana babo ebirkwetangisa kumurka bateyine bateganise
abazeire mugashobwa abazeire gutura hotosha amazeire mu rumo hato bunako ubuno kupakingira umwana we yashimye kubona akisisho amazeire mu rumo hati no kubona sikubise umwana
aha shonga yo kushwera abana bakiri bato King Martin Cyawanyanga agizire ngo ho kwinjira abana tikirungi
namazuma ari marigize naro kwinjira abana bato urumu ebintu bingi kandi bibi icyo kubanza umwana umushiki wa mwinjira kiri muto nabatakagizire bwenge bukumbekeka
Betabeji omashomerago nabo bargayo bashobora hashongeji bati.
Great thanks all goes to our parents who have supported us to come for this term, our teachers that have been with us from first term up to right now, and we really think that we are going to make it just because the more effort they've been putting, the more effort that we're going to put, and we really appreciate them for having loved us and giving us all that we need as students.
Itenkabeje chitamu kwa kutekele kanise kore bigeze bitu tukora revision thoroughly as in twine remedial classes so shoma thoroughly.
If you have headphones or you put them on.
Gasha kwa Kanare Mensa awa Sky Television agenshonga omuri Kiruhura.